Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Antika Niam Cahaya. You can call me Antika. NPM 224112110. I'm currently studying at the Indonesian Technical University. Here I explain one of the many topics in my course. I hope that the material I will convey later will be usable. Have a good time watching. Service customer behavior. Service customer behavior refers to the way customers search for, purchase and use service, as well as how they evaluate the service experience. The following are several important aspects of service customer behavior. 1. Service characteristic. Service differ from physical product in several ways, which influence how customers understand, select, and evaluate service. Intangibility. Service cannot be seen or touched before being purchased, so customers often only rely on information, reputation, and recommendation in making decisions. For example, hair care service or doctor consultations cannot be evaluated for quality before us. 2. Inseparability. Service are often produced and consumed simultaneously. For example, in transportation service, customers are in the vehicle when the service is provided. This makes the experience and skill of service provider greatly influence the quality received by consumer. Perishability. Service cannot be stored or inventoried. If a seat in a movie theater is not, this requires service provider to be careful in managing demand and supply, such as be utilizing reservation system or special orders to attract consumers at certain times. Variability. The quality of service can vary depending on who provides them, when and where they are provided. A good experience on one day does not guarantee a similar experience the next day. So, consistency of service is very important for service provider. Then, service customer decision making process. Customer decision making regarding service follow these steps. Although it is more influenced by uncertainty than decision to purchase physical product. 1. Recognition of need. Customer begin to feel that the tree is a need that needs to be met through service. For example, someone who feels stressed might need relaxing message service or counseling. Information search. Due to the intangible nature of service, consumer tend to search for more information before purchasing. They may rely on personal before purchasing. They may rely on personal courses of information, friends, family, online reviews on the service provider, reputation on social media. Then evaluation of alternatives. Customer compare various service provider basis and factors such as price, location, wait time, quality of service, and review from other users. Emotional factor such comfort or feelings of connection with the service provider are also very influential at the stake purchase decision. After evaluating alternative, the customer make a decision and order or purchase of service. Factor assess and promotion, discount, or special recommendation may influence this purchasing decision. Post-purchase evaluation. After using a service, customer evaluate whatever their experience lives up the expectations. If the service meets or exceeds expectation, customer will likely be satisfied and will likely recommend the service provider to other. 3. Customer expectation and satisfaction in service consumption. Consumer expectations play an important role in determining the level of satisfaction. This hope is formed by past experience. If customers have used similar service before, they will compare the experience with their current experience. Word of mouth, recommendation, or critiques from friends, family, and online reviews can shape expectation before a purchase. Marketing communication, advertisement, website, and other promotion from service providers shape expectation about what a customer will receive. If the service receives meet or exceeds expectation, consumers will feel satisfied. Otherwise, consumers may feel disappointed, which can negatively impact their loyalty. And then 5. The role of emotion in decision making. Service often involve personal interaction between service provider and customer, which makes emotional factor very important. Some things that influence consumer emotions is decision making include 1. Trust. 2. Comfort and safety. 6. Environmental factor. But social and cultural also have a significant influence on service customer behavior. Some explains include 1. Social influencer. 2. Trends and culture. 3. Economic conditions. Conclusion. Service as customer behavior is the result of the interaction of various factors, ranging from the typical intangible characteristic of service to expectation, influenced by experience, recommendation, and marketing. Service provider who understand this customer behavior can optimize their customer experience, adjust marketing strategies, and increase customer loyalty by providing high quality service that meets of excess customer expectation. Finally, that's all my explanation of the material. I apologize if I made a mistake in my explanation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.